Pranams to Guruji Sri N.V. Raghavachari. Pranams to Dr. Raja sir. Pranams to Dr. B.V.K. Sastri sir. And pranams to Dr. Kashyap sir. And good morning everyone. Today I wish Jaisa scholars will become a prominent and Sattvic astrologers in the astrology world. Today I am going to talk the topic self-management. How to find self-management skills through astro chart. How we can find self-management skill through astro chart. We'll see here. First gunas, Lagnapada, Lagna, Lagna Lord, planets posited on Lagna, planets aspecting Lagna, and Lagnapada or Lagna Lord connected with Yogi or Avayogi planets. First, gunas. We all know we have three kinds of gunas: Sattvic, Rajasic, and Tamasic. Jupiter and Mercury are Sattvic planets and their nakshatra, 6 nakshatras, Sattvic nakshatras. And Rajasic, Sun, Moon, Venus. And their nakshatra, 9 nakshatras are Rajasic nakshatras and Sun, Moon, Venus are Rajasic planets. And Tamasic, Mars, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu are Tamasic planets and their 12 nakshatras are Tamasic nakshatra. Now we can see how to link with Lagnapada in the gunas. Lagnapada. As per Meenatu Nadi system, Lagnapada is very important to judging a chart. Lagnapadadipati gets one guna. The Lagna gets good strength. The native will grow gradually. The Lagna Padadipati is not getting in proper guna. The native struggle to grow. See in the horoscope, a Mesha Lagna, Lagna Pada is Ashwini. The Ashwini Lord is Ketu. Ketu in Swati Nakshatra. So here Lagna Padadipati Ketu gets one guna. Not only one guna, the Ketu aspecting Lagna. Yeah, Lagna Padadipati gets good guna and aspecting Lagna, the Lagna gets more strength. One more example. Again, Mesha Lagna. If suppose Lagna Padadipati is Bharani and the Bharani Lord Venus posited in Neecha house. So here Lagna not getting good strength. But again the same Lagna, the Lagna Pada is Kritika 1. The Kritika Lord Sun posited in own house, the Lagna get good strength. Suppose the Sun posited in Uttara or Pubba Nakshatra, the get one guna, the Lagna gets good strength. In the chart, Lagna aspecting planet. In Rishabha Lagna, the Lagna Lord Venus first in the 7th house aspecting the Lagna, and also the friend, Rishabha Lagna's friend Saturn also aspecting Lagna. So this Lagna also get good strength. Finally, Yogi planet connected with Gunas. I am proudly introduce our new concept today. Yogi planet connected with Gunas from Practical Stellar Astrology book, page number 40. In the lockdown period, I am learning from PSA book the Yogi concept. What is Yogi? What is Yoga planet? Yoga every day's unique placement of Surya in relation to Chandra. How to find Yoga planet? Sun degree plus Moon degree plus 93.20. If it crosses 360 minus 360 degree. So the placement nakshatra is the Yogi nakshatra and the nakshatra lord is called Yogi. If you find the Yogi placement and add 186.40 degrees. The placement is called Avayogi Nakshatra. That Lord is called Avayoga planet. I have researched a number of charts. The wonderful result has come through Yogi and Avayogi. So finally, I have connected the Yogi planets with Gunas. Really extraordinary result has come. My daughter doing PhD on marriage matching. I advised to her to link with Yoga and Avayogi planet to the marriage matching. Really wonderful results has come. Now, if Lagna or Lagna Pada collected with the Namayogi, is the Lagna get good strength, and connected with Avayogi is not good. In example, a person born in Viskamba Yoga, Pushyami is Yogi Nakshatra. If Lagna Pada becomes Saturn, Lagna Lord is a Saturn, and the aspecting planet suppose is Saturn. So if the Lagna get good strength, the native grows gradually in the lifetime. And then suppose the Vishkamba yogas, Avayogi is moon. If the chart, the particular person's chart, the Avayogi connected with the Lagna Pada and Lagna Lad aspecting planet posited in Lagna or planet connected with the moon all give some bad results in the DBA period. Now I will give some yoga and yoga nakshatras. If in Vishkamba in Pushyami, Yogi is Saturn, Moon in Avayogi. In Preeti asked you go and see the Practical Stellar Astrology book, page number 40. Now, I will give some explanation to about some yogas. If a person born in Saubhagya Yoga, the yoga is Venus. If the person born in middle class family, definitely they will become a royal in the lifetime because of Saubhagya Yoga. If Venus is posited in good place, Venus get good guna, definitely the person lead a royal life. And then we all know elders wishes Ayushman Bhava. What is the meaning of Ayushman Bhava? Ayushman is one of the yoga, Nama Yoga, and Bhava is the one of the Karana. The both are best yoga and Karana. If a person born in Ayushman Yoga, Bhava Karana, definitely he will become a nice person. The Ayushman's yogi is the Ketu. The Yoga, Ayushman, if a person born in Ayushman Yoga, he will become a philosopher because of Ketu. Ketu is the yogi planet. And then Adhiganda Yoga. We have 27 yogas. Either 9 yogas is giving struggle to the natives. I wondered, I have checked a number of horoscopes. It is very great result it has come. I am going through some books also. In Vidya Madhaviyam, a Sanskrit book, it has give number of special points about yogi and avayogi concept. So, Adhikanta Yoga, if a person born in generally the Adhiganda Yoga number of books explain Adi. What means big? Ganda. You all know what is the meaning of Ganda. So this is the upright. The pronunciation is Adi Ganda. But I am researching some horoscope. Really wonderful results has come. Now I am introducing some persons born in Adhikanta Yogas. Our Parama Puja Guruji Raghavachari Minatu born in Adhikanta Yoga. And India's greatest Jnani Vivekananda born in Adhikanta Yoga. And from Bangalore, human computer Sakantala Devi born in Adhikanta Yoga. And a former Chief Minister, Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister Jayalalitha Madam also born in Adhiganda Yoga. What is the meaning? The self-management. If a person born in Adhiganda Yoga, the self-management skill is very more here. So I have wondered, I have searching number of horoscopes. What is the concept? Why your Adhiganda peoples get good knowledge here? I am researching through gunas. If Adhiganda yoga, yogi is moon, avayogi is Mercury. You know, Mercury, the Mercury Karagatvas is knowledge. But the Adhiganda people are all scholars. But the yogi, avayogi is the Mercury. But I have linked the avayogi planet through gunas. If a Mercury connected with Sattvic guna, the person become a scholar. And then the avayogi planet reduced its nature. Now we will see our Parama Pujya Guruji Sri N.V. Raghavacharya chart. I have done PhD on Gunas Yoga Samskritam University through JKR. Thank you, Yoga Samskritam University and Raja sir. I am proud to say I am the first PhD scholar in Yoga Samskritam University. For past 12 years, I am searching the planetary portion on nakshatras through Gochara. I have get number of principles. The one of the principle is Lagna La gets one guna, it will deliver good results like prominent self-management skill, success, and the Lagna connected bhavas, karagatvas flourishing. See the example. This is a Meena Lagna. Lagna Lord Jupiter, a Sattvic planet, posited in one nakshatra, Punarvasu nakshatra, a Sattvic nakshatra. So here, Lagna Lord Jupiter, posited in Punarvasu nakshatra, the Lagna gets good guna and also good strength too. Now we will see our Param Pujya Guruji Sri N.V. Raghavacharya's chart. We are blessed today. Guruji Sri N.V. Raghavacharya born on 18th March 1913, 8:25 am, Tiruvallur near Chennai. Born on Adhiganda Nama Yoga, Moon is Yogi, Mercury is Avayogi. See, Guruji is Mesha Lagna. The Lagna Pada is Ashwini 4th Pada. Ashwini Lord is Ketu. Ketu posited in Asta Nakshatra, who is Yogi. Yogi of the chart. Moon is the Yogi of the chart. And then here Lagna Padadibadi connected with Yogi Moon. And then Lagna Lord Mars. Here Lagna Lord Mars is Tamasic planet posited in Tamasic nakshatra, in one nakshatra. If a planet posited in one nakshatra, the planet gets one guna. A chart has number of planets in one posited in one stars. Naturally the chart has good strength. Here Guruji's Lagna Lord Mars posited in one nakshatra gets one guna. Generally, if a planet, a Lagna Lord, gets one guna and aspected to Lagna, the native gets courage, positive thoughts, and self-management skills and intuition power too. And here in Lagna posited planet is Venus. So Venus gives magnetic personality. Whenever Lagna Lord aspects Lagna, then the Lagna gets good strength. Guruji had fairly long life and lived up to 81 years. Mars had given good strength. and great health throughout his life. And then go to Jupiter. If Jupiter aspects the Lagna, whenever a planet posited in own house and aspecting is a beneficial one. Here, Guruji Raghavachari chart, Jupiter is Yogakarga planet. The Yogakarga planet Jupiter for Aries ascendant is posited in own house and also aspects ascendant. This causes Lakshmi Yoga. If Jupiter directly aspects the ascendant, especially from his own house, the native will possess abundant punya in his credit. Jupiter bestows scholarship in astrology, philosophical mind, and good children too. So, see, Guruji's horoscope, a Lagna Pada, is good because the connection of Yogi planet. And Lagna Lord also gets one guna and aspecting the Lagna is also good. And then one more point, the Lagna Lord aspecting by Yogi Lord Moon. Yogi Moon posited in one house, aspecting the Lagna. So Mars is have a variety of strength here and aspecting the Lagna. So Guruji is a normal. No, he is not a normal ordinary person. He is a Rishi Purusha. And then finally, if Avayogi planet, in a person born in Adhiganda Yoga, the Avayogi is Mercury. See, Guruji chart, Mercury is in Satik Nakshatra, Revati first pada. Revati first pada gets triple S Guna in Gunas, 3-step Gunas theory. If your planet gets 3-step theory in triple S Guna, it will give is Kargatvas very nicely. And then here Guruji's Avayogi planet get good guna, own guna, especially sattvic guna. If a planet in 6th lord or 8th lord or 12th lord, any bad and Padakadipati too, if gets a good triple S guna, it will give good result. Really, all people, I have browsing number of videos also in Google. A number of people spoken about yogi and avayogi. If a person born in a strong avayogi planet, that destroyed their life in DBA of the planet, but linked with the gunas, the avayogi planets, definitely the avayoga Karagatva was reduced here. Though this is the best example Guruji chart. So if self-management skills through astrology, we check our Lagna only. Lagna means Lagna Pada, Lagna Lord, Lagna aspecting planet, Lagna posited planet, and the yogi connection of the Lagna Pada. If a person above said points get the good connection to the Lagna, definitely the person became a self management skills through his astro chart. Finally, I hope you all enjoyed my presentation. Next time I will explain Tithi Yoga Karana. Stay tuned. Thank you, Raja sir. Thank you, Yoga Samskritam University, and thank you, JSA committee members. Guruji's blessings to all. Jai Minatu.